Receiving a jury summons can spark mixed feelings, from anxiety to fascination. Jury duty is a fundamental civic responsibility in Australia. It ensures judgment by a group of ordinary peers. This guide aims to demystify the process, from receiving the summons to the final verdict. Understanding your role and rights will ease apprehension. It's about active participation in the legal process. Your contribution is an investment in our legal system. Let's explore this often misunderstood institution. It's your chance to uphold justice for all. In Australia, potential jurors are randomly selected from the electoral roll. If chosen, you'll receive a questionnaire to determine your eligibility. Some people, like those with criminal convictions or certain professions, can't serve as jurors. You may also be excused for significant hardship. Honesty in the questionnaire is crucial. False statements can lead to fines. Eligible individuals then receive a summons, a legal requirement to attend court for jury selection. From this pool, the final jury is chosen. When summoned, you'll join other potential jurors in a courthouse assembly room. A court official will explain the process. You'll be assigned a number. Then a group will be led into a courtroom for impanelment. The court official will draw numbers. If your number is called, you'll join the jury box. Lawyers can challenge potential jurors. If challenged, you'll return to the pool. Don't take it personally. The process continues until 12 jurors are selected. Others are thanked and may be called for another trial. When you take your seat as a juror, you are granted important rights. The system must protect and support you during the trial. Your most fundamental right is to be treated as an impartial decision-maker. You also have a right to information. If you are confused, you have the right to ask for clarification. Your privacy and safety are paramount. It's illegal for anyone to harass or bribe you as a juror. If at any point you feel unsafe, report it to the judge immediately. Finally, you have the right to report misconduct of fellow jurors. These rights are essential safeguards designed to help you fulfill your role effectively. As a juror, you have crucial obligations to ensure a fair trial. Attendance and punctuality are essential. Attend every day, on time for the trial's duration. Pay close attention to all evidence. Note-taking can be helpful. Follow the judge's directions even if you disagree. Impartiality is key. Base your decision solely on courtroom evidence, free from prejudice or outside influences. Deliver a true verdict based on the evidence. After evidence is presented and the judge gives final instructions, the jury begins deliberations in private. Jurors transform from listeners into decision-makers. This private room is for jurors only. First, elect a foreperson to guide discussion. Deliberation involves structured discussion of evidence. Share your perspective, listen to others, examine exhibits, and piece together the facts. Every voice matters. Share your reasoning. Respectfully listen to other jurors. Work together to reach a unanimous verdict. Deliberations can take hours or days. Continue discussions until a unanimous verdict is reached. One of the most serious and strictly enforced rules of jury service is the rule of secrecy. Once sworn in, you're bound by confidentiality for life. This means you are forbidden from discussing the case with anyone outside the jury room. You cannot post about it on social media or speak to the media. This rule is the bedrock of the jury system's integrity. It ensures that jurors can speak freely and honestly with each other during deliberations. Secrecy protects the finality of the verdict. It would undermine public confidence in the justice system. Breaking jury secrecy is a serious crime. What happens in the jury room stays in the jury room. This lifelong duty is your contribution to safeguarding a system that is fair. Your service matters.